What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video and back to the Cane Gang factory here in Australia. We are here with the old PSI 60. We're gonna work out what went wrong. She doesn't run anymore. We blew it up at Summer Nats. Oh, she's dead. Way too much anti-lag, way too much crowd G up. It did do a fat skid though, down on comp, it won't start. And I think we're gonna have some melted pistons. So first things first, we're gonna do a compression test, work out what happened, and then work out what we're gonna do. Some of you might be aware, if you've been around the channel for a minute, this car was destined for an L98 supercharged, this charge, that charge, something fancy. We're gonna put an L98 in it. Personally, I'd like to build the bottom end, turbo 400, turn it into a weapon of a drag car. The turbo system works, it's responsive, and it wants to make a lot of power, but we're gonna look after that NA bottom end at the minute. Yeah, I'm gonna be pretty cool. I don't know. Whether it's just flogging a dead horse, don't know. Maybe we should just move on from the era of the quad turbo, do something else. We got something else pretty exciting in the works, but anyway, let's get into it. Oh, g'day, it's Jarcy from the future. Did you know we have a large range of gangster Keep It Reet merch on our website, keepitreit.com, links in the description. Check it out, we got some fresh summer tees in all sorts of gangster colors and designs. Go get yourself some. I'll see you wearing it at one of our future events. Back to the video. This is James. This is our tow truck driver. Vlog meet James. James meet vlog. G'day vlog. Yeah. It almost got to 130.
That's not bad.
Hit it, cylinder 2. That was so weird. It's like, it got an initial pump. It's like the first hit, it went straight up. Go again. Nothing. We'll pull the rocker cover off anyway and just see if there's anything in the top end before we dive into the bottom end. Might have had a bit of oil sealing up the rings or something. Give us another go there, Jimbo. Yeah, it's got comp.
It's a healthy motor.
Maybe we just got a 5-cylinder now.
Perfect, mate. Yep.
No comp?
Yeah, about 60 PSI on that one. That's where the number plate comes from. One cylinder's
That makes
got
sense.
60 PSI. Alright, hit it. Yeah. So 2 and 5 are debatable.
Debatable?
Debatable.
Really?
Hey,
What are we debating
until
about?
I see it with my eyes,
How many times did
it's savable. Yep, we'll rip her apart and find out what's wrong. If we can't see anything in the head, we'll pull the head off and check out that bottom end. Let's check it. Get into it, Jimbo.
3 hours later.
Oh,
What is going on?
that's not supposed to do that. That's what happens when you sit on limited too long, ladies and gentlemen. Top end brake. So, maybe the motor's...
It's not working.
What do you mean? Is that jump pack on? I need to get some starty bastard in there. That'll get it going. Stop.
It's breathing.
Is that brake on you?
Might put a little bit of oil on cylinder 5 to try and build up that compression just to get it running. We got a running car. It's going to work. Have faith. 3 capsules equals 100 PSI compression plus the 50 PSI it had. That should get us back to where we need to be. We're back in business, baby, let's go! Oh, she's breathing a little bit. Let's see if the anti-lag button still works.
Oh my god.
Sorry, mate.
Dude, that was ridiculous.
That was a lot louder than I was
Holy
expecting.
crap.
How's your ears, Jai?
What?
How's your ears, Tyler? It hurts. That's crazy. Who would have thought? Now what?
I don't know.
I don't know. I was planning on pulling it apart and it's fucked, and
It kind of
is. Like, it's not loving it.
Yeah.
It was shooting some big flames. I could see it in the reflection of the bloody window. Now what? We'll be right back.
Several days later.
After some deliberation, we have came to the conclusion that the RB30 quad turbo must come to an end. Her saga is kaput. It's over. We got an L98 and some other wild plans that it's time to get cranking on. So the motor is hurt. It won't really run, but I'm gonna try fire it up. You might see her at the Reet skid location here. I'm gonna raise the rev limiter to 12,000 RPM and see if we can get rods out. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Anyway. Can you say this? It's 15,000.
Oh, what? I didn't really get to do that.
We're going to the moon. Yeah. Taste it. Yeah. Are you happy? Oh, stay with me, baby. Get off it. It hates it so much. It's making like 30 pound and then hitting an overboost cut.
So, what are we going to do, Jesse? Nitrous?
Nitrous. We need NAS.
I need NAS. I need NAS.
Oh, this is the one.
What is your emergency? I hear shots! Okay, ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
finally killed it. Oh my god.
Now, what do you mean? We got a fire extinguisher right here by my side.
You're dead. You're gone. It's cut.
That was a lot more intense than what I thought. It went for a bit longer than what I wanted it to.
Oh my god, we need a rag sponsor.
Oh, hopefully we don't get into too much trouble, but there you have it! The God Turbo saga has come to a marvellous end. And there was only one way she was going to go, and it did it exactly how we planned it to load. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed this chaos. See you in the next one.
Lifetime, watching it slip away.
So violent.
Battle lines, clouding the picture frame. I could try to wipe my mind, but it still wouldn't erase the ache. It lives here in my veins, memories on replay. I'm standing with this white flag in my hand, trying to open up my arms again. Watch you die. Of always living on the run and setting fires.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Anyway.